A braid?
Yeah.
Hello guys, and welcome back to another exciting vlog. I know it's been a while since I posted and I'm sorry. I'm posting right now and this is the video that you're watching. So just keep watching it and hope you like it. And thank you so much for being here, for watching, liking, subscribing. And I love you guys so much. Let's just get into this vlog. Okay, let's get ready for therapy. I am breaking out. They're not even pimples anymore. They're just scabs because I love picking at my face. I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm gonna do a light makeup look. I'm gonna use my new Rare Beauty. It's their tinted moisturizer. I'm gonna mix it with the Say Beauty Glow. So we're gonna go like this. And we're just gonna like both of these feel like a moisturizer because the tinted moisturizer from Rare Beauty is so lightweight. Like if you guys don't like wearing foundation like I do, but it evens your skin tone out so much. And it's just, I love it. Hourglass concealer. I have the mini one and I have it in sepia because I'm a little pale. I swear a little bit goes a long freaking way, and holy crap, it is full coverage. Boop. Boop. That is it. That's all I'm gonna do for now. Covers everything I need to cover with such a tiny amount. You know what I mean? I really need to stop picking at my face because it gives me dark spots, and then I have to use a dark spot serum to get rid of that. You know the drill. You just can't help it. Big freaking honker over here that I've been picking at. Now it's just like a giant scab on my freaking forehead. Do you see the difference? Oh, and I did like faux freckles last night with self-tanning, and that's why you can see a little bit of faux freckles, and it makes me put less makeup on, is what I've noticed. I've been really loving these Pixie sticks, Ruby, and then I also bought the bronzer stick, Beach Glow. This is the darkest shade, and I'll just show you how beautiful it wears. So light, it's not dramatic at all. A cute little bronzy glow, a little bit on there, because this is pretty pigmented, I would say, for a blush. And it has like a little bit of a glow to it. Ooh, I love it. The Kosas powder. It's the Kosas Cloud Set, and I have it in the shade Feathery. Honestly, the best setting powder I've used thus far. I do still like the Charlotte Tilbury setting powder also. This one's really grown on me. Patch, 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 everywhere. Everywhere. The Physicians Formula bronzer. I ride or die since probably high school. Do a little bit of blush. This is the Hourglass Ambient in Sublime Flush color. Very subtle, very, very subtle. Love Hourglass anything. I don't know what's in their freaking formula, but it just gives you such an airbrushed look. Brows, I tinted them yesterday, so all I'm gonna do is put clear gel over them, and I absolutely love the NYX Control Freak. I don't know what it is, but I really like it. Obviously, I also have the benefit. Sorry. Fluff my brows up. Do I want to do like a little wing? Yeah, I'll do a little brown eyeshadow wing with the Mario palette. I use this dark brown during like my no makeup days, and then I'll do the black if I'm like going out for a more dramatic little liner. It's gonna be super like messy, then I'll clean it up. Oh yeah, look at that. Tan eyeshadow on me, and I'm using like the number 3 of the Charlotte Tilbury setting powder. Sometimes I use this as bronzer when I'm like really pale, like right now, and then I'll just put a little bit of mascara. I don't know why my lashes are not lashing today. Setting spray. And the Charlotte Tilbury one. And then I'll fan myself. Now we're gonna do the lips. So I use this Burt's Bees plum chapstick that's like very plum colored. And then I will line my lips after with the MAC lip liner in plum. And then I'll put one of these on. This is so pigmented, so I really have to go easy on it. Don't need a lot because it's so shimmery and shiny. It's like a lip gloss. I don't know how to describe it, but it's super cute. I'm just gonna put like these headbands on. Super cute. That is it for my makeup. And I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you think. That's it for now. Okay, so I just got done with therapy and I'm on my way home. I'm rushing to get home because my girl Amanda is coming over to do my hair. So I'm really excited. I don't know what we're doing. I don't even know if she's cutting it. Is she cutting it? Or maybe just styling it. I don't know, but she's coming over and we're just gonna play around and do stuff with my hair. A braid? Yeah.
Lightning strikes by my window. Hits my chest right in the morning. Like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe. But it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way. And so
Few inches later.
What the heck am I supposed to do with this? I whip my hair back in. Oh my god.
Wow. Oh my goodness. How long my hair is. Oh, she slayed. She slayed. Her Instagram's gonna be right here. She cuts hair, she does it all. She does it all. So go follow Amanda and check out her work because she's literally amazing and I love her.
just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long.